Good day everyone! Today, we are going to discuss how to graph linear inequalities into variables. One of the ways to determine the possible solutions of a linear inequality into variables is through graphing. Ito ang mga kailangan nating tandaan. The first one is, the graph of a linear inequality is a region or a half plane, and the line defines the boundary of the shaded region. And the shaded region represents the solution sets of the linear inequality. If the inequality involves less than or greater than, the line drawn is a dashed or broken line. But if the inequality involves less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, the line drawn is a solid line. So let us try to graph number 1. Graph the linear inequality y is greater than x plus 3. So paano nga ulit mag-graph ng isang linear inequality? Kunin natin ang slope at ang y-intercept. The given inequality y is greater than x plus 3 is already written in slope-intercept form. So pwede na nating makuha ang slope at ang y-intercept. So the slope is 1, which is the coefficient of x, and y-intercept is positive 3. So i-graph na natin ang mga given. So unahin natin ang y-intercept na makikita sa y-axis. Since the y-intercept is 3, so nandito siya, positive 3. And since the slope is positive 1, ibig sabihin 1 unit upward and 1 unit to the right kasi nga positive. So 1 unit upward and 1 unit to the right, and this is now your second point. Next is, anong line ang kailangan natin gamitin sa pag-connect ng dalawang points? Tingnan natin yung symbol. Since the symbol is greater than, therefore, we are going to use dashed or broken line. It means that the points on the line are not included in the solution set. Para malaman natin kung anong part ang kailangan natin i-shade as part of the solution set, kailangan natin ng testing point. At ang gagamitin natin na point ay ang 0, 0. So, saan natin isa-substitute ang 0, 0 or yung point na 0, 0 dun sa original na given, which is y is greater than x plus 3. So, yung y palitan natin ng 0 at yung x ay palitan natin ng 0 and then simplify. So, we have now 0 is greater than 3. Is this true? It is false. Siyempre, mas maliit si 0 kaysa sa 3. So, dito sa statement na to, it is false. So, it means, ang kailangan nating lagyan ng shade ay yung part kung saan hindi natin makikita ang point na 0, 0. Ito yung point na 0, 0. Therefore, ang kailangan nating i-shade ay itong kabilang part. And this is now the solution of the given inequality. Let's have another example. Number 2. Graph the linear inequality y is less than or equal to x plus 5. So, same process tayo. Kunin natin ang slope at ang y-intercept. Since the given is already written in slope-intercept form, kunin natin ang slope niya. So, ang slope ay positive 1, which is the coefficient of x. At ang y-intercept ay positive 5. So, i-graph muna natin ang y-intercepts dito sa y-axis, makikita. So, we have b is equals to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first point. Next is, dahil ang slope ay 1, ibig sabihin 1 unit upward and 1 unit to the right dahil positive ang slope. And this is now your second point. Now, anong line ang kailangan gamitin? Tingnan natin yung symbol na ginamit. Since ang ginamit ay less than or equal, therefore, ang gagamitin natin ay solid line. It means that the points on the line are included in the solution set. Paano naman malalaman kung aling part ang kailangang i-shade as part of the solution? So, testing point tayo ulit. Pinakamadaling point na gagamitin natin ay ang 0, 0, which is the origin. Ito yon. And then substitute natin sa original na given, which is y is less than or equal to x plus 5. Palitan natin ng y ng 0 at yung x ng 0 din. And then simplify. So we have 0 is less than or equal to 5. Is this true? Yes, it is true. So ibig sabihin, ang kailangan lagyan ng shade ay yung part kung saan makikita ang point na 0, 0 at eto yun. And this is now the solution. Let's have another example, number 3. Graph the linear inequality 2x plus y less than 6. So, kunin natin ang slope at ang y-intercept. Kaya lang, ang given natin ay hindi nakare-write in slope-intercept form. So, gagamit tayo ng ibang paraan. So, ang slope natin is negative 2. Using the formula, negative a over b. Ang a ay the coefficient of x at ang b ay coefficient ng y. So, 2 divided by 1, which is 2, times negative. So, we have negative 2. At ang y-intercept ay positive 6. Ang galing ang positive 6? Using the formula c over b. Ang c ay yung constant, which is 6, at ang b ay coefficient ng y. So, 6 divided by 1 is equals to 6. And then, i-graph na natin. Ang y-intercept ay 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dito siya sa y-axis, sa positive na part. And then, ang slope ay negative 2. Ibig sabihin, 2 units upward and 1 unit to the left kasi negative. So, 1, 2, and then to the left. This is now your second point. Now, ang tanong, anong line ang gagamitin? Tingnan natin yung symbol. Since it is less than, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin natin ay dashed or broken line. It means that the points on the line are not included in the solution set. So, testing point tayo ulit para malaman kung anong part ang kailangang i-shade. So, gagamitin ulit natin ang 0, 0, which is the origin. Substitute to the original na given, 2x plus y is less than 6. Palitan natin ang x ng 0 at ang y ng 0. Simplify, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 0. So, 0 pa rin siya. 0 is less than 6. Is this true? Yes, it is true. So, ibig sabihin, ang kailangang lagyan ng shade ay yung part kung saan natin makikita ang point na 0, 0 at ito yun. And this is now the solution. And that's it. Thank you for listening.